Welcome, today in front of me OPPO F21 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to change home screen transition on this device. So let's just first hold for a while one from our device home screens, and after that tap here to transition section. Here then you'll see the different type of the animations. You can select one from this one. I just will stay with the real one. Click here to apply, and now we can see that we just successfully changed our device home screen animation. If you wanna just go back to the default transition by the same way, hold for a while the screen, tap to transitions and switch it to default, then click to apply, and that's it. So as you can see, that's so simple to do. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.